Howdy Aggs, I'm Carson Seiber, class of 26, and today on Discovering Aggieland, we're going off-roading with Texas A&M Baja SAE. From the shop floor to off-roading, Texas A&M Baja brings students' ideas to life on four wheels. So join me as we discover Aggieland. All right, I'm here with Keaton, who's gonna walk us through what it's like to be part of one of Aggieland's most hands-on, student-led teams. So, Keaton, for someone who's never heard of anything about Baja SAE before, what exactly is it?
Baja SAE is an engineering design team here at A&M. Every year we fully design, test, manufacture, and validate a one-of-one off-road vehicle.
Wow, that's really cool. I want to learn a little bit about what kind of people join this Baja team, and is it only for engineering majors?
Yeah, so our design roles are pretty much engineering majors, but we also have a business team who does sponsorship outreach and recruiting and merchandise.
Wow, it definitely is super unique to see all the different sub-teams that come to make a car together. And I'm noticing this one behind me, and I want to learn, what is the car built to handle from a design perspective?
Baja, think most rugged terrain, giant rocks, huge hills, big dips in the road. That's exactly what we do.
Can you share a little bit about the history of Baja here at A&M?
So Baja has been around A&M for a really long time, but consistently since 2017. And that's kind of led us here to the 26 car, where we're getting ready for competition in May.
Competition in May, that sounds really exciting. What are you doing right now to get ready for that?
So the car is actually in its middle phase of manufacturing. We're doing a lot of welding, metal fabrication, throwing shocks and tires on the car. This is all in preparation to be testing here hopefully soon.
What kind of teams can you expect to compete against?
Baja SAE is a coast-to-coast competition. There's teams from all over the country and even all over the world. Big names are like Michigan, Georgia Tech, and even that school down the street that we don't really like to talk about.
I want to learn more about what it means to be a part of the team itself. Can you tell me more about that?
One thing that really drew me to Baja was the culture here. I don't think you'll ever meet a group of hardworking and dedicated and passionate students than those in this organization.
Putting this together takes more than just time and effort. It takes support to keep this moving forward. So where does the Texas A&M Baja team benefit most from support?
Yeah, so if you actually look at the names on the hood, those are individual donors and even families who really invest in what Texas A&M Baja is all about.
For our friends that are watching the video, how can they best support the Baja team?
You can reach out to our friends at the Texas A&M Foundation. They'll sit down with you, see what your passions are, and how you can better support us as a team.
I just can't thank you enough for having us out here and taking a look at the lab. It's been such a blast getting to learn more about the Baja team.
Yeah, of course, Carson. Well, before you go, let's take out the car.
You sure?
Let's do it.
Come on.
All right, Carson. So we're out here at Bluebonnet MX Park. The track you see behind you is gonna mimic pretty closely to what we're gonna be doing in May in competition. All the jumps, the whoops, big hills. You ready to do this?
I am, man. I just want to say thanks for having us out here. Thanks for allowing me to drive this car. And thank you for watching this episode of Discovering Aggieland. Let's drive this thing.
Let's do it.